Sharpness test. Milwaukee pocket knife versus eggplant.
Oh, come on.
Let's test the sharpness.
Ayo.
Well, Milwaukee is expensive for a reason. Still sharp, but not sharp enough. Let's make a razor edge on it. For stuff like this, it's hard to maintain an angle on the whetstone. And due to its geometry, so many angles in it, you might scratch the stone. Not easy to sharpen on stone. What to do? It's the rule pit. Let's test it out. Start off with coarse. Wow, wow, wow. Edge has been evenly grinded on both sides. Check sharpen. Oh. Starts to cut paper. Let's fine tune it. Medium grit. Ceramic. Fine tuning.
Okay.
No joke. Makes the knife sharp in a matter of minutes. Easiest way to use. Pocket knives as well.
Ayo. It's such a thick pocket knife.
That's sharp. Let's test it on an eggplant.
Oi,
Milwaukee easy sharpness with my rule pit loudly.